Unlike smartphones, we don't buy televisions every year or two. In fact, smartphones are really personal devices, but TVs are not. TVs are bought by the family for the family. And that's the reason we buy TVs for our living rooms, for our bedrooms, and the whole family sits together and watches televisions. Now, televisions have a lot of use case scenarios. We watch live sports on it, binge watch Netflix series on it. A lot of people use it for gaming also. And a person like me who edits a lot of content on televisions, a television is one source of display that does a lot of jobs. But like smartphones, TV comes in a lot of ranges like mid-range, starting range, premium range, and of course the gold standard of television, which is the OLED televisions. Now the problem with OLED televisions was that OLED televisions have always been very premium and expensive. But LG is on a mission to change all that. LG is bringing affordable OLED TVs. Now what is OLED exactly? We'll find out in this video. What is OLED TV and why the TV we are testing, the LG OLED TV, is the best OLED TV you can buy. So this is the OLED TV from LG, the 48A2, which will definitely democratize OLED TVs in India. It comes with the latest A7 Gen 5 AI processor. It also comes with the new UI of the web OS, and also it has ThinkQ AI, which really makes a picture and sound really better. So what are we waiting for? Let's go ahead and unbox this television. So now that we have unboxed the TV, you can see how beautiful it looks. OLED stands apart, the deep blacks, the high contrast ratio, the AI engine coming into action. It's so beautiful. Look at these wallpapers, they just stand out. You instantly know it's an OLED television. Just look at this image. I mean, it's just mesmerizing, and you just absolutely can see the deep blacks here and the whites, and the contrast ratio is just, you know, just beautiful and mesmerizing. Also, if I talk about the design of this television, because it's OLED, the OLED technology allows you to be super thin. In fact, you can make rollable TVs out of OLED because it can be so thin. Because it has self-lit OLED technology by LG, it is really thin. It's absolutely no bezels on the screen, making it like a very immersive viewing experience. But what's new? Well, this is the LG A2 television, which is set to democratize LG OLED televisions in India. In fact, the whole OLED industry. But what's new exactly is the new Alpha 7 Gen 5 processor, the AI processor, which gives you AI boost of sound and picture both. And it also enhances everything about the TV. It also offers you upgraded 4K AI upscaling. So upscaling would not feel like it has been upscaled from 1080p to 4K. Because of AI, it will be done very aesthetically. So when you connect your smartphone, either Android or iOS smartphone, you can control the TV through the remote control feature in the app. But that's not all. You can also control all your home appliances and also use your TV as a smart speaker. Yes, you can output your sound off the smartphone from the TV. So you're playing music on your smartphone, but the TV will serve as a smart surround speaker. How cool is that, right? The AI Picture Pro guarantees outstanding lifelike image quality by enhancing people, objects, foreground and background effects in each scene. It also provides customers with a variety of color experiences by extending the color spectrum. The self-lit pixels enables darker pictures, higher contrast ratio and deep colors. You'll also be happy to know that the LG OLED television offers Dolby Cinema. Yes, what is Dolby Cinema? Well, Dolby Cinema is the combination of Dolby Vision IQ and Dolby Atmos sound. Now imagine these two getting together to give you the best cinema experience at home. And together with LG's A7 Gen 5 AI processor, it adds extraordinary depth, bringing out subtle textures on the screen. It feels like sitting in a theater with its original picture and sound effects. Dolby Vision IQ and Atmos adjust and optimize picture and sound quality based on content and ambient lighting. Not just that, you also get a Filmmaker mode. In Filmmaker mode, the actual color settings and frame rates are preserved as the filmmaker wanted you to preview it. So apart from Dolby Cinema, you also get AI Sound Pro, which gives you 5.1.2 surround sound setup from this television. AI Sound Pro has taken the concept of immersive sound to a whole new level. With the A7 processor, virtual upmixing now converts 2-channel audio into a 5.1.2 channel surround sound, making you feel that the sound is coming from above, around and behind you. The A2 series is the ultimate TV for your gaming setup, allowing you faster response times and smoother gaming even at high resolution. With a 0.1 ms response time and auto low latency mode, LG OLED 2 gives a flicker-free experience with no tearing and low input lag. LG is the leader when it comes to gaming features. The advanced gaming dashboard allows gamers to access critical game settings as a pop-up menu. For gamers who play for long hours in dim or low lighting conditions, LG's upgraded game optimizer menu has now a darkroom mode, which can be activated and helps reduce eye fatigue. Well, if you remember, I mentioned in the beginning, the televisions are a family affair. The whole family uses the television, and gamers alike. A lot of people use the television for gaming. You'll be happy to know that LG offers 0.1 ms response time with 4K 60Hz display on this television. Sports lovers are in for a treat. LG's OLED motion technology displays fast-paced sports action in smooth motion. Every play looks and feels exceptionally clear and real. You can also experience a stadium environment sound with the Bluetooth surround sound technology and get real-time sports updates of your favorite teams through Sports Alert feature even while you're watching other content. And this feature really came in handy on Sunday when there was a Manchester derby match between Manchester United and Manchester City. It was India and South Africa match, there was Singapore GP, and also Indian sports legend cricket match. All the 4 sporting events were happening live at the same time, and I could keep a tab on all 4 of them thanks to the Sports Alert, which is the best feature I could tell you about. At the core of OLED television experience is the ThinkQ AI, an innovative and interactive feature that connects with users and maximizes their TV experience. The latest feature this year is the new WebOS with user profiles and family settings. You can add up to 10 profiles on your home screen for personalized content and recommendations and easy navigation. Family settings like usage limit, eye care mode, volume limit mode, and screen time mode encourages healthy TV viewing habits. So let me also give you a demo of how the ThinkQ AI WebOS works, because it's really intelligent and it's nothing like you've seen before, because a lot of TV are Android based, but this comes with a magic remote that works as a cursor, and also you can see how rich and colorful and interactive this whole UI looks. The weather is on top, you also see what's trending, you also see if the Wi-Fi you're connected to, you can search directly from here, you can watch live TV, then all your app content, the trending content shows, then your app list is here, and also you see your home dashboard where you can go to home dashboard, control your home appliances that you're connected to, and as you can see we have a lot of home devices. We have all the ACs that are on right now, we have the live TV over here, you can also change sources from here. And if you have an antenna TV connected, it shows what programs are playing. You also have AirPlay, optical out, and even remote PC mode, which you can use it as a PC. You can also connect a lot of other home devices, the IoT devices, by clicking on this. You can LG ThinkQ devices or even other IoT devices. Imagine having a different lock or a different camera that's not LG. You can still connect it to this TV and use it as a home dashboard to control all your home appliances at one go. And if I go further in the UI, you also see a lot of options like what is Life's Good Hub, which is LG's own hub. It tells you all the content that is good. In fact, it also shows me that there is new free video conferencing available on LG TV now. So you connect your camera and start using as a remote conferencing television. Further below, you'll see Sports Alert. You can see the teams you want to get score update upon, and I think they've covered all the sports possible in this, from basketball, football, hockey, to all the sports that you would watch. Even IPL is there. Then further below, you see web browser, which allows you to see all the sites possible. If you don't have an app for that, you can use it as a web browser app also. And then you see now streaming on YouTube, Prime Video, and all the apps you've logged in. Lastly, you can also edit this option and move things up and down through this fluid UI that I really like. Now also let's talk about this magic remote. It's truly magical, and I think they have aptly named as a magic remote. This is like a virtual cursor where you can move. So it's got sensor here which really move around when you move the remote. So the sensors tell the cursor where you're moving, so align it itself. Then you have this roller. Remember those old Blackberries where you had the roller to scroll up and down? That's there, and gives you that physical haptic feedback when you're scrolling through, and it's easier to scroll through rather than just moving like that, which gives it a great control over the remote. You also have voice button that helps you get information on the go. How is the weather? So if you're not using the remote, you can also use the voice commands on the remote or through your phone. You also get these 6 buttons, the shortcut buttons, which is Netflix, Prime Video, Disney Hotstar, Movies, Google Assistant, and even Alexa. So you can do your Alexa commands through the remote directly. Again, talking about the smart hub capabilities of this TV, you can not only control the LG Think devices, but everything that comes under your Google or Alexa devices. So this TV not only comes with ambient light sensor, which adjusts the picture quality and the brightness of the screen, you also get eye comfort mode that lets you watch the television in dark and has this blue screen filter which lets you watch TV for longer without getting teary eyes. So in terms of picture mode, you also get comfort mode, theater mode and kids care mode. Now before we wrap up, I would like to mention that this is the OLED A2 48 inches television, but you can also get this TV in 55 and 65 inches. So all three sizes are available for your purchase. And as we have the 48 inches television, I can tell you that whether you hang it on the wall or you put it on the stand, it looks beautiful either way. Also, because of the down-firing speakers, the sound is not affected whether it's hanging on the wall or on the stand. And the immersive picture quality stands out either way. But it doesn't matter what all features it has unless and until we know the price. Now, because it is to democratize the OLED television in India, it has to be priced very well. You'll be glad to know that the pricing range starts at 89,900 rupees for the A2 series of LG OLED televisions. Please contact your favorite retail stores or online stores for exact pricing on each model. So this is the perfect opportunity and television to bring home this Diwali. For more such videos, do not forget to like, share, subscribe the Unbiased blog. Thanks for watching.